Get ready, guys. Oppo is about to shake up the flagship game again. The brand new Oppo Find X9 Pro is here, and it looks like a serious competitor to Samsung and Apple in 2025. Let's break down its killer design, powerhouse specs, and why this phone could be your next daily driver. The Find X9 Pro brings a premium curved glass and metal design with an ultra-sleek camera module that instantly stands out. On the front, you're getting a massive 6.9-inch QHD AMOLED display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and peak brightness hitting up to 3000 nits, perfect for outdoor visibility and buttery smooth scrolling. Honestly, this screen might rival even Samsung's best panels. Under the hood, Oppo packs the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. That means blazing fast performance for gaming, multitasking, and future-proofing. Battery life also got a big upgrade. A 5400 mAh battery with 100-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging, so you're back to 100% in under 30 minutes. That's insane compared to iPhone charging speeds. But the real star? The cameras. Oppo is stepping it up with the 50-megapixel triple camera setup, featuring a 1-inch main sensor, ultra-wide, and a periscope zoom lens for crystal-clear long-distance shots. With Hasselblad color tuning and new AI image processing, you're looking at one of the best mobile photography systems of 2025. So, is the Oppo Find X9 Pro the Android flagship to beat in 2025? With its stunning display, monster performance, crazy fast charging, and pro-grade cameras, it just might be. What do you think? Would you pick this over a Galaxy or iPhone? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more epic tech updates.